My name is Mr. Ashok Rupsisa. I am a businessman in Kenya, living in Kenya since last 35 years. We are in various business, pharmaceutical, real estate development, and building material. Currently, we are developing an industrial park on 200-acre land within the Nairobi city. This industrial park is centrally located between two super highways and the city center and airport. We are in real estate development since last 20 years. I have developed one small business park on 12-acre land, which was in 2014. And when I have seen there is a huge demand of the industrial space, warehouses, and the serviced industrial plot. So I thought we better develop a bigger industrial park where the plug and play concept we introduce and people just come and establish their manufacturing unit. The Infinity Industrial Park is my dream project, and my 35 years of experience, I know what people need here. Accordingly, we are providing the amenities, facilities and services, which is my plug and play concept. In services like security is the main concern in Kenya, so we are providing one entry and exit, police station within the park. Entire park will be connected with the CCTV cameras and private armed security patrol 24 hours. This will make industrial park the safest place. The Infinity Industrial Park is centrally located. That is the one of the best features it has, and the kind of services, amenities and facilities which we are providing within the park, that is the unique. The kind of services we are providing is within the park we have police station, we have fire station, we have public transport stage, we have hospital, shopping mall, which will provide all the services to the operator within the park. Also, the underground services like sewer connection, water connection, fiber optic cable connection, and the three-phase power connection to each and every plot, which makes Infinity a plug-and-play concept. Kenyan government have heavily invested into infrastructure development. For example, Kenya government have invested into road infrastructure. We have super highways, bypass, bridges, existing road widening, and many road infrastructure has been developed already in Kenya, which is fantastic infrastructure. Also, government have developed SGR. SGR is a broad gauge railway which is already operational. Government have developed ultra modern seaport which is opening soon, anytime, which is ready now. Government have also invested into geothermal power stations, and geothermal power stations are producing more power than countries need, so sufficient power is available. Our existing airport also expanded. And the best thing had happened is that the government have implemented new constitution in Kenya. Government have also signed a free trade agreement with US and UK. This brings the great opportunity for the manufacturers that they can export to American and Europe's market unlimited. Kenya has a business-friendly environment and all the foreigners are prospering in Kenya. This is because of the government is very positive and encouraging investors to come and invest in Kenya. Government has a department called Kenya Investment Authority, which is one-stop licensing office offering all the services investors need from the government side. We are also here to support you and help you get all the licenses and establishment of your company and getting all the licenses and permissions required.